gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is the packaging of the unit and it is from Baylene Hair, which is from Amazon. This is their card, and as you can see, it is 100% human hair. All the card is showing you guys how to take care of your wig. Included in the packaging is a wig cap, some cute lashes, and a headscarf. This is an ordinary cap construction with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, a comb in the middle, and two combs on either side. This is how the hairline is looking, you all, and it is already pre-plucked, but I'll go in and pluck the hairline a little more. This is how the hairline would look, guys, when you put the wig on without going in and do additional plucking.
Told me, let it be. You know I can't leave, cause baby I need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. Now I'm looking at you, get away, get away. And the bad one, then moving on. You're the one now, gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was stupid, baby, I was doing me. Now I'm looking at you, stay away.
I'll go right ahead and put the unit on. This unit is 13x4 lace front wig. I'll turn around so you can see the back of the wig. I'll cut the lace in 3 so it is easier to lay. And I'll be using the Got2b gel and the beaded spray to lay the lace.
You have been even more than I could dream of. Every joy you've given me, I can't forget. There's no regret. We took things slow, and I learned all of your virtues. But the one that lifted me, you already know. Wait and see how my arms hold you forever.
Now I'll go in with the scissors and remove the lace.
With me, I feel my dreams for us coming true. We build a space for me and you, so the things that I will vow will mean everything to me.
I am removing all the excess spray and glue before tying the lace down.
Raise all my dreams and hopes with you.
This is how my lace is looking, guys. You can style the unit as a middle part or a side part. I'll part the unit in the center so you can see the amount of space you'll have if you're going for a center part, but I'll be styling this unit as a side part.
To me, as you place your hands in mine.
I'll go in with a hot comb to flatten the part a little.
Vow to love you for the rest.
You know, a girl gotta go in and make a little teenager or grandma hair, guys, because these are not baby hairs at this point.
And I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine.
I am tying the teenager hair to make sure they're well laid, you all. Now I'll go in with the water and spray the hair.
Beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest of my life.
Gray skies is all I see as I hear your voice.
I am going in with the Marc Anthony Curl Cream, which helps to eliminate frizz, tangles, and define the curls with extra hold and added sheen.
I light in perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch. Conversation with no.
Now I'm going in with my Kira Care Walk Stick.
Skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. You became her best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. You took the best of me and turned it into the
I am adding some concealer to the parting space.
have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on.
I am adding the Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace.
Never dies, Mr. Gray Skies. I have to go on. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I sense you behind me. But when I turn around,
This is 13 by 4 Glueless Lace Front Brazilian Water Wave Human Hair Wig. The density is 150%. It is 24 inches. Came pre-plucked with baby hairs. It is bigot friendly, you all. This is a gorgeous unit. My only con, it does shed a little, but maybe it's because I go in and pluck the hairline. Who knows? The only thing I would do differently before installing the unit is bleaching the knots so the lace doesn't look white on cam. But after I go in and add the powder to the lace, it was okay, you all. So guys, if you like this unit, the link is in the description down below. You can go and check Baylene hair routes. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
Let this go. So I gotta move.